Guys, this is again the Quali Tactical, and I have here a new arrival, ANC 624 Black M4 Compact CQB with Noveskie Sound Blaster. Ayan. So, mo ni ang appeal sa set, no? This is a brand new AAG rifle. So, naatay free battery and charger. And, of course, the metal magazine with 300 rounds capacity. And of course, our ANC 624 Black M4 Compact CQB with Noveskie Sound Blaster. And now this is how I install the battery of this AAG rifle. First step, let's push the button here. Ana diha banda, and then kailangan tag flat screw no to help us pull it easy. Ana. Then pag natanggal na siya, so second step, another cover na pud atong tanggalon. Ayan, which is this one, kaniyagyanan mismo sa ato ang battery. Ayan. Tingnan siya diha. And, kailangan na punta og flat screw no to help us pull it easy. After that, pwede na nato tanggalon iyahang rifle butt. Ayan. So, i-check lang nato kung nakagawas to iyahang socket, no. Ayan. So, nakagawas siya. And then, after that, ibalik nato to iyang butt. And, ready to install nato sa battery. Ayan. And then, connect it together. Ito sa socket sa ato ang rifle. Ayan. And then, let's return back the cover. Let's fix the wiring. Ayan, the wiring inside. Then, after that, ibalik na nato tong cover niya. Kung sa itong gitanggal lately. So, kana lang siya, no. So, this is an AAG rifle. Full metal body, no, with metal magazine, which has a capacity of 300 rounds. Plain stock mat, battery and charger is included. Ayan. Okay, and now this is it. The ANC 624 Black M4 Compact CQB with Noveskie Sound Blaster. Anyway, natay pang chrono diri no. I-test nato niyang iyahang FPS. This is a stock rifle, never been upgraded. Ayan, let's load the magazine first. Alright. Okay, and then atong fire selector is naalang diri sa kilid. So, let's try the safe first. And safety muna tayo. Okay, safe. And then, the semi-auto. Ayan, semi-auto tayo, guys. Okay, firing, semi-auto. Alright, hit. And then, another. Full auto tayo, guys. Okay, full auto. Ayan. Full auto. Firing. Right. Now, let's proceed for FPS testing. Alright, that's for ANC 624 Black M4 Compact CQB with Noveskie Sound Blaster. Again, this is Quali Tactical. Thank you for watching.